Oh, random?
Yeah, I think random.
I never opened this set before, leh.
That's why he asked you open.
Wow, no strength. Today I wanted to eat the famous Shin Udon. You all know or not?
Why you purposely put the camera down?
Hey! I take out my makeup already.
Okay, after this 3 try is you.
Okay,
Ayataka.
all the best, Buggy. 3 hits, Buggy.
Yeah, no, Buggy 3 hits. Buggy 3
Okay.
hits. Come.
Oh, yeah,
First pack, first
but so
hit.
fast.
Okay, but at least 8 at least 8.
Ooh, what is this?
Yeah, Blaziken.
Blaziken.
8. Okay, first hit, first pack. 8.
The focus is off. Blaziken.
This is for Bucky.
Quite nice, this 8. But
I thought it was funny. Yeah, second hit.
too fast. Very fast.
Okay, second hit. Come on, SAR.
Okay, second pack for Buggy. I collect all my stuff in your shop. Okay. Okay, nothing. We do left side. Japanese slab and English slab got difference in value. Have. I think he told me before that Japanese the waifu worth more, is it?
Now English is higher lah. Last time Japanese used to be higher.
Third pack, nothing. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, nothing still.
Yeah, but you put the Motress SAR already? SAR?
Hollow.
Oh, I thought SAR.
Hollow. Wow, so
Yeah,
cute.
I put the Motress already. Who is this?
Hollow.
This moderator.
Is this Iskandar?
Maybe, yeah. Yeah, I put already. Yes, the 2 days ago put already. Come. SAR.
So far, I think only pull one Motress
at
and
the second hit, right?
one Mewtwo SAR.
No, 2 Mewtwo.
Oh, you put 2 Mewtwo.
2 Mewtwo, 1 Motress.
Yeah, only one hit out so far.
Haven't put Nido King.
I'm not who is Iskandar. You are Iskandar.
He's Leroy Tay.
Not Tan meh?
I don't know.
Hollow. Let's Articuno rights.
Yeah, I think got SAR.
Kang.
Is it?
Hollow?
SR.
Pokemon SR.
SR.
Oh, got good one or not?
Wait, SR leh.
Ooh.
Oh, SR. Ayo. Okay, but I got 1 main hit.
SR
Okay, 1 main hit. Not too bad. SR Mel.
Giovanni.
Persian.
Not Melf.
Okay, second hit is a main hit for.
Not bad eh. For Buggy.
For Buggy.
Okay, last hit.
What udon you went to eat? The curry udon.
No, Shin Udon. I wanted to eat Shin Udon. SHIN. It's the one that the very picturesque, very what I call it? Like everyone go there to taka one.
Yeah, 老板娘 more hot bro. She open SR. But later
I
I
haven't
open
opened SAR yet.
Later I open SAR. Yeah, later I open SAR.
Okay, nothing. This is 4 box mix, I think.
Yeah, 4 box mix.
1 main hit out.
1 box mix. A lot of EX.
This is the first main hit out, right?
Yeah, first main hit out. Another AR.
AR.
Ooh,
so
Buffett
cute.
also very nice. Okay, Buggy, okay lah, not too bad lah. 2 AR, 1 SR for Buggy.
You got no EX hits.
No EX
okay,
is
right?
good already. Yeah, I think okay, it's quite good.
I think can pass lah, Buggy.
Okay, Buggy, thank you for your
Congrats.
support.
This is so cute.
Yeah, congrats.
Who's
Buggy.
this trainer? But I don't know who this.